So this is about a 17-inch cut I've got to make right here, and I've really only got one reason to make it, which is to justify the $100 I just spent on this saw upgrade. So let's see how this crappy old Porter Cable 18-volt saw does it, and how the Milwaukee does it in comparison. Right now, a lot of noise. Videoing. Well, that saw sucks, and this one shouldn't. I want to make sure of that. Oh yeah. That was worth it. That was worth it. Yep. Purchase justified. Now the crappy saw down there also had a crappy blade in it, so to give it a fair shake, we're gonna try the crappy 6.5-inch blade in the Milwaukee. And also you'll notice it's a little bit finer as well, which to be fair, that's the blade that I would expect for ply like this, about 2 teeth in the material at a time. So let's see how this runs. Nope, not so much a crappy blade, just a crappy saw. Justified.